Welcome to the first official video by Mr. Barron. Channel Laugh and Learn. We want to laugh and have fun. We want to learn at the same time because the two of those things are important, so why don't we do them both, right? So let's start off. Today's lesson is dedicated to a friend of mine, one of my students named Danex Destroyer, at least that's what we call him. And he gave me this idea. He said, Mr. Barron, if you would make a YouTube channel and show us how to do some of the things that we do in class, maybe to help us become better learners. And so that's exactly what I intend to do. All right, so shout out to Danex Destroyer. Shout out to another guy who helped me, the Human Tree. We call him that, and he's an amazing young man. But this is for you guys, for my 5th grade students. So if you find this video helpful, like, share, show it to your parents, and then practice. And practice makes you better, not necessarily perfect. So we're going to start off with a very simple concept. Today's learning point is this. We want to learn how do we divide whole numbers using fractions. But before we get there, we'll start with something very basic, which is division. So let's start with division. We'll start with a simple number like 4 divided by 2. Now, all of us know that 4 divided by 2 gives us a simple answer of 2. But what does that mean? It simply means how many groups of 2 can I take out of 4? So if I start with this number, how many times can I take 2 away? So we'll start with the model. So a model says 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. How many groups of 2 can I take out? Where here's 2 and here's 2. And so I took out 2 groups of 2, and that's how I got this answer. Now, how can we use that understanding and idea to help us do a very good job of dividing using fractions? So we're going to use a very similar problem. I'm going to slide up just a little bit so you can see. And we'll change that. Instead of 4 divided by 2, we'll change it to 4 divided by 1/2, right? Not wholes, but half. So why don't we do it this way? So 4 divided by 1/2, well, the question is, how do we do that? Like, how do I draw halves, Mr. Barron? Well, it's simple. We'll take the same idea that we had in the beginning. So we'll start with our 4 wholes because we always start with this first number, all right? This is the dividend, and this is the divisor. So we'll draw the dividend. So we're going to draw 4 in the same way that we did in the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, these are wholes, right? And I want to know how many times can I take out a half instead of a whole. So I'm going to cut these in half so that I have halves to work with. And so this is a half. And this is a half, 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 and I think I'm about to create me a song. This is a half, and this is a half. This is a half, and this is a half, right? Well, I'm just joking. But at any rate, now I can take out halves because I drew models that is 4 equal, but there are halves in each. So how many halves can I take out of 4? Well, it's simple. I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can take 8 halves out of that. So my answer becomes 8. And 8 times 1/2 gives us 4. That's called inverse operations. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you learn. And give me some feedback. Let me know if this video helped you. Let me know if I can make some improvements to my channel, or I can make some improvements to my instruction so they can help you understand better. Look, if you thought this was helpful, show it to your parents, show it to your friends, right? And share and subscribe. This has been another day with Laugh and Learn. I hope you're laughing and make sure you're learning. Thank you, and come again.